Wagwan my people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat everyone. Bless up to everyone once more. And you don't know, Wednesday morning people. And for anybody who go on the road today, bless up, travel safe on the gravel. Alright my people, so you don't see Wagwan, we have an exciting conversation here lined up for everyone. I did cover a few parties over the weekend people. So you can go and check out my videos that I did over the weekend. I covered basically all the parties. Alright, so what happened over the weekend was very interesting, and I'm gonna talk specifically about Boom Sundays. Alright, Boom Sundays, Aidonia and Govana, and the whole team was there. Intense, everybody did that, the people. But Aidonia said something. Well, Govana was talking about bloggers, right? They must say people for keep them head up and stop listening to people within them living room and about one speech and this and that. And then Aidonia in the background make a little comment about Sir P. So I'm gonna drop the video here right now, people, and me be gonna just stay on, like, share, subscribe to my channel, people. Thank you, Jamaican Chat.
And I listen to Buckler youth in the living room and talk in front of them camera. I tell them about he say and she say and Buckler. Yo, we are here to listen to peace, mother.
Alright, my people. There you go. You see, that is what happened at Boom Sundays right there. Alright, so we're gonna just have a little conversation about that right there. And let me know what you think about it, people. Make you get the comment section active on this video here. Alright, as I said, I'm gonna like, share, subscribe as well, and let me know what y'all think about it, people. Of course, this is definitely not anything good, so we're not push it out like I'm not good, my people. But this is what Govana and Aidonia had to say, and obviously as you say, alright, people is a party and them a drink and a enjoy themselves, so we don't know if I just, you're in that mood there and enjoy yourself, but it's because the message will actually get out on a greater scale, you understand. And we definitely don't you don't know how my channel operate already. Anytime it comes to nothing with Sir P, we'll back Sir P 100% because we actually see where he's contributing positively to the country. You understand? So everybody, yes, I'm gonna jump off for the rest of the day now. I'm gonna just like, share, subscribe to my channel, and as I say, anybody a good on the road today, safe travel on the gravel. Alright, thank you, Jamaican Chat. Bless up.